Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, but I'm finally here with a new video, a new microphone, and a new haircut. In this video, I'm going to show you my winter alteration so I can actually wear those clothes and not buy something new. And my projects are 2 pair of pants and 1 denim vest. The first project that I'm going to show you is a pair of pants which I loved for a long time, but it doesn't fit me anymore. And I was on a point of giving up and try to make it into a skirt. But then I thought to myself, I don't need another skirt in white because I do have some, and I don't think I would wear a white skirt in winter. So yeah, I thought that I will give it a last chance and try to fix it. And then I found a video, a tutorial on YouTube on how to make your pants bigger on the waist. And I followed that tutorial, which wasn't that hard, but I just I rushed into things and I think waste a lot of time on it on my first try, but now I know better, and I think I'm going to do it for a lot of other pants because it worked out amazing. And the pants actually finally fit me, and I can actually wear them and breathe, and it is comfortable. As you can see, those pants are small on me on the waist. I can close them, but then I won't be able to sit down, which is kind of important to me. So that I can fix this with this top that I don't wear because it has a stain, and it perfectly matches the lines on the pants, and also it's very stretchy, which is very much important for this tutorial. So unfortunately, I did not film how I measured the top, put the fabric underneath the holes, and that's how I marked it, and also added a seam allowance. This is a reminder to use the right needle because you don't want your seam to be messy. So please, if your fabric is very stretchy, use the stretchy needle. This is how the pants turned out, and I absolutely love the result because, first of all, it is so comfortable to wear them now, and actually sit down in this, and it has so much room, which is very rare to find in pants nowadays. So yeah, I am very happy with this. I did try to do it with another pair of pants that I really love the fit of, but it is too tight on me. But this didn't go as nicely as the first one, and I think it might be because it is also tight on the hips and not only the waist, so it is still annoying to sit down with it and walk around with it. So I might turn this into a skirt after all, but let me know if you have an idea on how to fix it anyways. For the second thing of denim vest that I made, I think a year ago, and I love the vest, but it's kind of the fit is kind of weird. It's a little bit big, so I just thought that I would add darts in the front and in the back. I'm still not sure about the fit of it, and maybe I would come back to it again, but for now I think it is better than what it used to be. As you can see, this denim vest is really cute, but it doesn't really fit the way I want it to because it's cropped, but it also oversized. So I thought that maybe if I add some darts, it will be a better fit, and also maybe just add a little something to the front because I felt like it was missing. So I pinned where I wanted darts to be, and then I sewed it and ironed it. But then I also decided that I want to do darts at the back, so maybe it will fit even better. So I pinned it and I sewed, and after that I also sewed on the darts on the outside because I thought it will look better and less bulky, and then I ironed them in. And this is the result, which I think it looks good and it is better than it was. But I'm still debating on what to do because I'm thinking if I should add also some sort of something in the back that could tie it to be tighter. But this is how it looks without like something underneath, and this is how it looks with like a sweater underneath, so it's kind of a better fit. And with the thicker fabrics, I think maybe it makes sense, but I'm still not sure about it. I might come back to it later. And the last project is a pair of denim that was too big on me. It is a little bit big still, but it's much better than it used to be. And I used to just put darts in the back, but it was kind of bulky. So I decided to go all in and actually do it the proper way. Could have done a better job on the way it looks in the back, but I'm still very happy with this result because I really wanted to wear those jeans for a long time. For this pair of denim jeans, what I did first is to rip with the seam ripper the darts that I already made because it was, as I said, too bulky, and also it was uncomfortable to feel the fabric when you're wearing it. I also ripped the waistband and also the belt hoop. I took in two darts in 1.5 centimeters, and also from the waistband 3 centimeters. And the waistband is like two fabrics in it, so I had to do two stitches there and also rip out the excess fabric and do a zigzag stitch to finish it off. And after that I sewed back the waistband first from the upper seam and then attach it to the pair of denim jeans, and also stitched back the belt loop with the hand wheel. I tried it on and the darts were still too bulky for my liking, so I decided to just sew on them. So I put pins and started sewing like I did with the denim vest, and I think it really helped the result because now it looks so much better. And I did mess up a little bit with the waistband, but I just really wanted to finish this project because I wanted to wear this. And it is not too tight, which is exactly what I wanted. And I love how it looks with the belt. It also hides the mess that I did with the waistband, which is also great. And those are the alterations that I got for you so far. I will for sure do more and have more projects coming in. So stay tuned for that. I love all of the pieces that I altered and I can actually wear them now. If you like this video and more sewing fashion content, then please consider subscribing to my channel. Give this video a like because I don't make a lot of long videos because I don't have much time, but I do love make those videos. So if you give it a like, then it will help me know that you like them too. And hopefully I will do more in the future. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you're interested in other sewing videos, I have a lot of other tutorials, so check them out. I hope you enjoyed this short, simple alteration video, and I will see you in the next time. Bye.